All right, just a quick video. I'm having fun. I've got my Chua circuit here, and I've got my Lorentz attractor here, and I've got XY mode plotted at the same time. Isn't that pretty? I've turned on false color too. So, yeah, there you go. Pretty wild stuff. That's the Chua. That's the Lorentz over there. Anyway, pretty cool. And then this is the raw data. I can slow it way down here. And so we can start to see some, oops, I was going the wrong way. Yeah, there we go. You start to see somehow the raw data works over here. And we're not getting complete displays over there because we need more. One of them runs at one frequency and one of them runs at a different frequency, so I need to get enough samples so that one looks good, and that one's probably oversampled now, but yeah, it's working pretty good. Pretty zoomy.